You're gonna make me laugh again. This is serious business. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I hope this message reaches people back in 2022. Teenagers, young adults. I've seen weird clips of you doing some weird dances on TikTok, trying to cope with the heat waves that keep on coming. Well, get used to it, 'cause it's only gonna get hotter. Yeah, salutations from the future. I wish I could say it all turned out okay. I mean, we look out for each other, but whatever you're doing to try and help, it's not enough. I know you don't want to hear it, but it's true. So don't leave it to the grown-ups. Listen harder. Shout louder. Do better. Eva's back. I gotta go.